If your Add to Render Queue button is grayed out in DaVinci Resolve, don't worry. This is a common issue, and in most cases, it's very easy to fix. In this video, I'll show you exactly why it happens and how to turn that button active so you can export your video without frustration. We'll go step by step, and by the end, you'll know how to solve the problem fast. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy DaVinci Resolve tips and tutorials. First, open the Deliver page by clicking the rocket ship icon at the far right of the bottom toolbar. This is the export page where all your render settings are managed. Once you're on the Deliver page, look at the Render Settings panel in the top left corner of the interface. This is where DaVinci Resolve checks whether your export is ready. Now, the first thing to check is the file name field at the very top of the panel. If this box is empty, the Add to Render Queue button will stay grayed out. Type in a clear name for your video file. It can be anything you want, but it must not be blank. After that, click the Browse button next to the Location field and choose a destination folder on your hard drive. DaVinci Resolve needs to know exactly where to save the file before it will let you continue. This is one of the most common reasons the button stays inactive. If either the file name or the location is missing, Resolve cannot prepare the render job. So make sure both fields are filled in properly. Also, double-check that the drive you selected has enough free storage space and that you have read and write permissions for that folder. If the drive is restricted or full, export issues can happen. Once both the file name and location are set, you should notice the Add to Render Queue button change from gray to active. That means Resolve is now ready to create the render job. If it still looks inactive, the next thing to check is your render range. In the Render section, make sure it is set to Entire Timeline. If it's set to a custom range by mistake, the export may not be ready. Another possible cause is an in and out point mismatch. Look at the timeline at the bottom of the Deliver page. If you see a gray bar with small handles at the top, that means in and out points have been set. If those points are on the exact same frame, Resolve thinks there is nothing to render. In that case, right-click anywhere on the gray bar above the timeline and choose Clear In and Out Points. This will reset the range and let the full timeline be exported. You should also check your format and codec settings. If you are using the free version of DaVinci Resolve, some studio-only options may cause problems. Standard formats like QuickTime and H.264 usually work fine, but certain 10-bit H.265 profiles or high-end ProRes options on Windows may not be available in the free version. If the button still does not activate, switch to a more compatible export preset and test again. At this point, once your file name is entered, your location is selected, and your render range is correct, click Add to Render Queue. Then look at the Render Queue panel on the far right of the screen to make sure your job appears there. If it shows up, you're ready for the final step. Click Render All at the bottom of the Render Queue panel to begin the encoding process. And that's it. Once you know what to check, fixing a grayed out Add to Render Queue button in DaVinci Resolve is actually pretty simple. Most of the time, it comes down to a missing file name, missing location, an in and out point issue, or an unsupported codec setting. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.